Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of ultimate productivity with the ESR iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard, designed specifically for the 2024 iPad Pro 11, 5th generation. This sleek, modern black case transforms your iPad into a portable productivity powerhouse, perfect for working from anywhere with its easy-set magnetic stand that allows seamless transitions between portrait and landscape modes. The ultra-strong magnets and floating cantilever stand provide the perfect angle for typing or browsing, while the detachable back case offers instant hands-on access and full body protection. With multiple view modes, you can enjoy a raised screen view for better posture or switch to portrait mode for the ideal FaceTime experience. Navigate your iPad like never before with the extended, ultra-sensitive multi-touch trackpad that lets you tap, pinch, and swipe with precision. Designed exclusively for the iPad Pro 11-inch models A2836 and A2837, this case is your key to unlocking a new level of efficiency and style. So, if you're ready to elevate your iPad experience, stay tuned for more insights and tips on getting the most out of your tech. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.